Okay, so in this video we're going to go through the process of setting up your affiliate program, and for that we'll be using the affiliate network JVZoo. It's quite a new affiliate network at the time of recording this video, but it's very similar to other networks such as ClickBank or Pay.com. The one great advantage of JVZoo is that it offers instant payments both to you and to your affiliates. So unlike ClickBank, where you need to wait 30 days for your check to be created and then sent out to you, with JVZoo it gets paid directly into your PayPal account, and the whole process is handled by JVZoo. So they pay the affiliates and they pay you as well. So setting up a product on JVZoo is very simple and straightforward. So I'll take you through the process of doing that, then creating our payment buttons, and then adding the payment buttons to the sales page. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go along to JVZoo right now. So here we are here at JVZoo. We'll just click on the home button. So it's both a network for sellers and affiliates, and I would encourage you to set up both a seller and an affiliate account with them. But just now we're focusing obviously on a seller's account, so click on Seller tab, and here you can read all the different elements of having a seller's account with JVZoo. So to get started, click on the Sign Up button. And here you fill in your registration details with your name, email address, create a password, state which country you're from, and just click the accept buttons and then click register. You'll then be asked for your PayPal details, and you'll need to confirm those details as well, just authorizing JVZoo obviously to send payments to your PayPal account. Just authorizing JVZoo to link to your PayPal account essentially, because they handle collecting the payments for you and also the refunds as well. So just go through the process of signing up. As I say, it's free and it's very straightforward. I've already signed up for an account, so once you've signed up, go back to the Sellers tab and click Login. I'll do that just now and show you how to set up your product. So here we are inside the seller's dashboard of JVZoo, and it's very easy to set up a product. As you can see, I've already actually set up the product we'll be discussing in this course, but I'll just talk you through the process of how to add a product. You just click on this Add a Product button here. Okay, and then all you do is just fill out all the tabs that you have. All of them are very self-explanatory, and if you hover over each one, it actually has a pop-up box that gives you more information. So first one is allow sales. Obviously that's yes if your product's ready to go live straight away, no if you're still working on it but you want to obviously have JVZoo set up. Show in the marketplace, again very self-explanatory, yes or no. The launch date and time, again if you're planning a launch when you actually want it to go live. Product name is obviously the name of the product. Select the currency that you want to use, the price that you want to use, and the percentage payout to your affiliates. So whether that be like 50, 60, 70%, whatever you want, you just put that in there. You also have the option here to limit the number of sales. So for example, if you don't want too many sales being made, or if you have, for example, like a membership program, you want a limited number, then you can limit the quantity in here. This option here is for your support email address or a support URL, again very self-explanatory. Then this option here is for your landing page. If you want to have affiliates direct potential customers to your landing page. In this case, we set it up to go straight to our sales page, which is here. So this is your sales page URL, as we've spoken before. So you simply put the http://www. your domain / and whatever the extension is for your sales page, and select externally hosted page, which is what we actually have in this instance. There is also an option to use JVZoo. They have an instant sales page which you can use if you wish, and just check that out there if you want to do that. JVZoo have a lot of training materials as well, and there's a forum that will help people as well if you need any information and help. So, externally hosted page, sales page URL, then delivery method. You've got two choices here. You can either use a protected download, which is where you upload the product to JVZoo, that's what we'll be doing here, or you have your own thank you page. So if you select that, then you put in the URL to your thank you page, and you use that if you are actually hosting the download file yourself, as opposed to the protected download. I quite prefer the protected download because then you don't need to mess around with any download protection scripts or anything like that. It's nice and simple, and JVZoo takes care of it all for you. Then you just select the returns period, so in this case it was 60 days. Make my product eligible for product of the day is always good to help attract affiliates. Then you select the affiliate status. So this is where you select how you want to approve affiliates, because affiliates will see your offer in the marketplace and then decide if they want to promote the product. And you can either manually approve each request. So when an affiliate wants to sell your product or promote your product rather, they need to request that they're allowed to do so. So you can either select manual approval, auto approval, or no affiliates allowed. In this case I selected auto approve just for the sake of ease, so you don't need to constantly approve affiliate requests. And then there's some advanced features. The description for the marketplace. Then you select your categories here, and then add your keywords, and then you can integrate the sales process with an autoresponder as well. So simply click that, select which autoresponder you're using, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, or Incamail. I think that's how you pronounce it. Obviously, for the example we were using GetResponse. Now, if you want to integrate the sales page or the sales process with your autoresponder, you won't be able to do that with the free trial of GetResponse. You'll actually need to sign up for the paid version, because this process requires the API key. If you hover over it, it gives you actually full details of where to get the API key in order to put the details in there. So as you can see here, you go to your GetResponse account, click on My Account, and then use GetResponse API, and you'll get the API key, and you just put it in there, and then the HTML for the web form that you create. So for example, in this case, what I would suggest you do is you create a web form specifically for customers. Create the web form in exactly the same way as we did before, and adjust it as you want it to look, but maybe create a campaign so that you have actual buyers separated out into your GetResponse email list, because once you have a list of buyers, that's even more powerful than having a list of subscribers, because your buyers are people who have actually spent money with you, and they're the people to look after and really build a relationship with. So create a web form in exactly the same way, and then paste the code in this section here. Then you've got a couple of options here. You can either click to make it a dime sale, set up a JV. This is if you've created your product with a partner and then you're splitting the commission in a certain way. JVZoo will automatically do all that for you, so when they receive a payment they'll just split all the payments exactly the way they need to go. And then you can set up a one-time offer if you wish as well, and an external program integration. This is if you're using any membership scripts and what have you, but we weren't doing that for this example. So it's a very straightforward process. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save Product. And as I say, JVZoo have a very good help section, and they've got some training videos as well in the forum also. So once you've done that and clicked Save, if we go back to the sales dashboard, you can see here your product will be listed with all the details, and then the next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to upload the product files. So if I click that there, then what you do is you browse for where the product is. So in this case obviously it's a video course, and click open and then upload primary download file. And what it'll do is this will upload the file that your customers will get instant access to once they've paid their money. And once they've clicked the buy now button, paid the money, and JVZoo distributes it as it needs to in terms of paying the affiliates and paying yourself direct into your PayPal account, they'll then direct them to the download file that you're uploading here. Okay, now that we've uploaded the product, the next thing to do is get our buy button. So you see here, now we have the option for the buy buttons. So all you do is you click that. And this takes you through to this page here, and you then have a selection of buy now buttons, and you just simply choose the one that you like. So I think what we'll do is go with this one. And you get two options here. You've got an HTML code and a BB code. This is if you're selling anything through a forum, for example, if you're doing like a warrior special offer or what have you. But in this instance, obviously, we've got our sales page. So all you do is just highlight this code here and copy that, and then we will go to our sales page and paste it in. So here we are at our sales page. So what we do is we just select where we want to put the buy now button. So we'll be putting it here inside our secure order form. So select where you want to put it, click insert HTML, and then paste the HTML code you've got and click insert. And you can see there now that it has pasted the buy now button into your sales page. So there you have it. We've now got our buy now button already sorted and inserted into our sales page. Our sales page is now ready, and everything's ready now to be uploaded live onto our server, and that's what we'll be doing in the next video.